Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you find list of your reservation on your Google Chrome. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on the sign up here though, up here, and you click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to settings window. Then you just click here on sync, and it's going to take you to this window. You go down, you click here on Google activity controls. Then it's going to take you to next step here, and all you have to do now, so just go down, you click here on say all activity controls here and down. Then you keep going down here, and you click here on go to your Google account, and it's going to take you to next step here. And all you have to do now, so just go up, you swipe right here in up, you click here on payments and subscriptions here. Then it's going to take you to next step, so just go down here, and you come here to reservation. You will click here on minute reservation reservations here, and here, like you say, I have no reservations, but if you have it, you'll find it here in this window. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.